Hello, welcome to part 2 of this installation process. This will be adding the BooleanLogic project to your existing Cinco workspace and then launching as an Eclipse program. We will start by importing the BooleanLogic project. To do this, we will go to File, Import, and then search for the file in our directory. So I said go to File, go down to Import, open General, and go to Existing Projects into Workspace, and click Next. Now we must browse for the BooleanLogic project which you've downloaded from the website. Find the BooleanLogic project, select, and just click Finish. From here you'll see the project in the top left corner. Go down to the As Model folder, open, and find the DDD-Tool.cpd. We will right click and scroll down and click Generate Cinco Product. This will start generating the Cinco product of the BooleanLogic project. What this will do is create the features that will allow you to create binary decision diagrams. So it will create your predicates, your nodes, and your terminals, and from there you'll be able to create your decision diagrams and then later use as a classifier. Note that in the bottom right hand corner you will see the generate Cinco product and the percentage. This has to get to 100%, so you just leave this process go. Once this is complete out there, you'll get a message saying generation complete and just click OK.